Okay, so here I'm going to be showing you how to add and subtract using your place value mat and your base 10 set. Here we have our hundreds, which are our flats, our tens, which are our longs, and the ones are our units. So our first number we're going to add is 167 plus 346. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the first number, which is 167, or you can see here, onto our place value mat. So first we're going to take 100, or a flat, which represents our 100 and 167. Then we're going to take 6 longs, or 6 tens, to represent our 60. 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to take 7 units to represent our 7 ones. So here you can see we have our first number that we're adding, 167. Next, we're going to add onto this, just like it is, our next number, which is 346. So we're going to come here and get 3 flats, which is 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to add the 40, which, because our number is 346, so we're going to take 4 longs and add them as well. Then we're going to add our 6 units, or our 6 ones, to the ones place. 3, 6. Now, our problem is addition, so all we're going to do is now we're going to regroup. We're starting in our ones, our units place. We're going to count 10 ones to make 10, okay? We got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are our 10. So these 10 regroup and become one long piece. So these are out. We're going to grab another 10, and we're going to add it to the tens place. So we're left with 3 ones. Now we move over to our tens place. So we're going to count 10 longs, which will equal 100, or a flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now these 10 longs, or these 10 tens, will transform and regroup into a flat, or 100. So these are out, and we're gonna add 100. So this is our final answer, when our answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 110, and 3 ones, which will equal 513. Okay, now we're going to subtract using our place value mat and our base 10 set. So, our problem is going to be 213 minus 96. So we're always going to start with our bigger number, placing it on the mat first. So first we're going to place 213 on our mat. So 213, 2 hundreds, so 2 flats, 13, which is 110, 3, which is 3 units, or 3 ones, 3. Now, the problem says to take away 96. Well, 96 means we should have at least 9 tens in our 10 spot and 6 ones in our 1 spot, but we don't. So what we're going to do is we're going to take away from the hundreds to make the 9 tens. But when we take away from 100, we take the full set of the 10 tens. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take away this 100 and we're going to replace it in the 10 spot with 10 tens or 10 longs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have our 9 tens to take away. So that's what we're going to do. You still have this 1 from the original problem, okay? You just add those 10 tens you took away from the hundreds. Now we're going to take away the 90 from the 96 that we have to subtract. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So we're left with 100, 2 tens, and 3 ones. But our problem wants us to subtract 96. Well, we subtracted the 90 of the 96. Now we have to take away the ones, or the 6 units we have. But we only have 3, right? Well, we're going to do the same thing like we did for the hundreds to the tens. Now, we're going to take this one flat piece and make it into 10 single pieces, or units, or ones. So this is out. Now we're going to put our 10 ones into the ones place. Bam. So our problem is 96. So we're going to take away 6 ones from this spot. Remember, keeping the ones you originally started with, you're just adding 10 into it. So we're going to take away 6. 3, 6. And this is our final answer. Once you've worked all the way across, unlike addition, we worked this way. Subtraction, we started with the hundreds place and worked down to the ones. So our answer is 117. So 100, 110, and 7 units is our answer. And that is subtracting.